over the world. Everyone, meet my friend Mitra.
Hello everyone. Now I am a birder. Okay, I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. Now I've traveled to Scotland, to Zululand, and all the way down to Antarctica to look for as many birds as I can in a single year.
Wow, Mitra here, she is very passionate and a little bit crazy.
Hey, no.
So Mitra, how many birds have you seen?
Last year I saw about 1,000. This year I would like to break the record and see 3,000 or more.
Whoa, hashtag show off.
Okay.
Alright, so everyone, let's begin our journey to meet some smart, colorful, and truly incredible wing friends. First up, South America. Now we will take a drive to the port, then a boat ride on the Tambo Pata River. We might see the footprints of a jaguar or spot a red howler. Look around you! Wow! You are now in one of the most biodiverse parts of the Peruvian Amazon. Look at that! Now everyone, welcome to the Chucho Macaw Lele, where hundreds of birds gather every day to lick on clay. Now this clay lake is the largest of its kind in the world.
And look at that everyone, we have Adrian and Ferrari, our scarlet macaws. Now Adrian and Ferrari, you guys want to come over here and check out your clinic? There you go, good job guys. Now macaws, they have very sharp pointy bills that allows them to eat unripe fruits. But there are toxins in those fruits which aren't good for the birds. So the clay neutralizes the toxins. Clay also has minerals like sodium that can't be found in their diet. Amazing, right?
Yep, no upset tummies. Well, looks like Adrian and Ferrari are still enjoying their salty feast. Can we give them a big hand, everyone?
Now, Lynn, I would want to see more birds. So let's not stop. Let's keep going and head to Southeast Asia. Let's go!
Now, everyone, welcome to Bird Paradise in Singapore. This park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 avian species. So, Mitra,
Yes.
is that enough birds for you?
No, I want to see more birds.
Seriously? Okay, so speaking of seeing more birds, we are going to be joined by friends of the park. Okay, and here they come. Wow, look at a very long line. Hello there. Now with me here, this is Higgins, our green-winged macaw. And green-winged macaws like Higgins here, they are one of the largest in the parrot family. And Higgins here is about 10 years old.
And right here with me, I have Katie, our sulfur-crested cockatoos. Cockatoos like Katie, they can be found in Australia and in certain parts of Indonesia. Can you see the yellow feathers on her head? That is called a crest. Sulfur is yellow and therefore they are known as the sulfur-crested cockatoos.
Now parrots, they mate for life and make devoted parents. So they take advantage of abandoned tree cavities or tree hollows just like this to build their nest.
And they also use leaves, they use flowers, they use twigs, dried leaves, and even tree barks as nesting materials. Okay? So if the cavity is too small, they will use their beaks to enlarge them. So in a very short while, both Katie and Higgins will be demonstrating their nesting behaviors by dropping nesting materials into the nest cavity. Are we all set to go? Let's go!
Now, if you are wondering what's happening inside, let's watch this. Higgins, right there. Come on. Come here. Oh, look at that. That's Higgins right there. Hey, Katie. Look at her. Look at her. Her Chinese policy. And there you go. Can we give it up for Katie and Higgins and their wonderful trainers, everyone?
We heard a rooster, right? Yeah. A rooster here in the park. Oh, Lynn! Look at that. That's the rooster.
No, Mitra. That's your rooster.
No, Lynn. That's an Amazon parrot.
Okay, you listen to this, okay? Sure. Quincy, turn around, come on. Quincy, can you do the rooster? See, I told you.
Okay, I believe you.
Now, everyone, this right here is Quincy and Amigo, and they are masters of mimicry. So before Quincy makes some sounds, Quincy, can you welcome our guest? Turn around. Do you catch what he said? He said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Let's say this one more time. There you go. Welcome to Parrot Paradise. Good job, Quincy. So you heard Quincy mimic the rooster earlier. This time he's going to do the cat. Wow, that was a very fierce cat. Okay, one more sound. Please see how about the telephone. There you go. Can we give Quincy a big hand, everyone?
So when parrots learn how to mimic or make sounds, they are actually learning from what they hear by their families. So if they were to mimic human sounds, they are basically just doing what they hear around them.
So, in our case, Quincy and Amigo's family are the Monday Star.
Yes, that's right. So I would like to hear Amigo mimic some human sounds. So let's start with a nice and sweet hello. Hello. Wow, did you hear that? Very clear, right? Since we all know his name, let's get him to say it himself, okay? Can you tell everyone your name? Amigo. Amigo. There's so many of them here today. How would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? You heard that? He's asking, how are you? So how is everyone feeling today? Good? Yes, that's very nice to hear. So Amigo here can sing. So he's going to sing for us an English song. It happens to be the birthday song. So by any chance, anybody celebrating your birthday today? Raise up your hands. Don't be shy. Okay, let me stop people on this side. Birthdays. Where? Okay, we have 1, 2 on this side. How about people in the middle? 3, 4. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I see you. 8. How about people on this side? Birthdays. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Wow, so many of you. Okay. For the 14 of you, I hope I didn't miss out on anyone. Here's a special song from Amigo. You ready? Come. Okay, happy birthday! Happy birthday and thank you so much for celebrating your birthdays right here at the
Yep. But hold on, everyone. Quincy here is 1 in 10,000. Amigo, 1 in a million. What you usually get is a bird, like Big George. So loud. Yeah, very noisy. So please do think twice. Actually, you know what? Think 100 times before getting yourself a pet parrot. And with that, can we give it up for Quincy and Amigo, our Amazon parrot?
And each year, hundreds and thousands of these birds are being sold into pet treats. Amazonian parrots like Quincy and Amigo, they can live up to 50 years in captivity. That is a lifetime commitment. They may seem like they'll make good pets, but they don't.
So, if you want to get yourself a pet parrot, why not come down to the bird paradise instead, where you can see all these beautiful birds, right, Mitra?
Yes, that's right. Okay, so Lynn, what's next?
Now, Mitra, did you know that Wings of the World is proudly sponsored by Kellogg's?
Really? I didn't know that, but I do love Fruit Loops.
And this segment is brought to you by Fruit Loops. Hello there. Now, everyone, this right here is Elmo, our beautiful Togo toucan, and guess what? Elmo here is Kellogg's Fruit Loops ambassador. So Elmo is going to show off his amazing flying abilities by flying through that giant Fruit Loop. Ready, Elmo?
Over here, Elmo. Come on. There you go. Good job. Now, Togo toucans, they are known for their incredible speed and agility. Their bodies are so flexible that they can fly through gaps in the forest. For this case, it will be our giant Fruit Loop. One more flight, all the way back to Lynn.
Right here, Elmo. Come on.
What are you doing? Someone took a shortcut.
Try this one more time.
We'll try again. Over here, Elmo. No shortcuts, okay? Okay, ready?
Hi, Elmo. Right here. Come on. Yoo-hoo. And there you go. Thank you very much, Kellogg's, for sponsoring Wings of the World. Good job, Elmo.
And we are about to meet an iconic species, ladies and gentlemen, the Oriental Pie Hornbill.
Now everyone will start right there. That is Oris, an Oriental Pie Hornbill. Now Oris fell out of the nest as a chick, and in the wild Oris would have not survived. But here at Bird Paradise, he was nursed back to health and has a safe and permanent home with us.
Now there are two major differences between hornbills and toucans. Hornbills, they can be found in Asia as well as in Africa. Toucans, they can be found in Central and South America. Hornbills, they have a distinctive feature over their heads called a cast. It can just be a small ridge or it can be big and brightly colored.
Now Mitra,
Yes.
is there anything else that we can spot?
Their feet. Both hornbills and toucans, they are great hoppers. Look at that, very cute, right? Okay, so hornbills, they have 3 toes up front and broad soles. Toucans, they have 2 toes up front and 2 at the back. So this gives them incredible strength to hop up and down branches. What else, Lynn?
Tongues. I remember this. Now hornbills, they have a shorter tongue, but both birds use their tongues to toss fruit into their mouth. Okay, so everyone, let's check this out for Elmo first. Ready, Elmo?
Wow, yes. Okay, let's see for Oris. Oh, there you go, another perfect catch. And both hornbills and toucans, they are known to catch their prey mid-flight. Both of them are going to demonstrate just that. We'll start off with Elmo first.
Okay, Elmo, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Good catch.
If you missed that, let's see Oris in action. Ready? And count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Another perfect catch. And with they have unusual nesting behaviors. They like to nest in tree cavities, just like that big tree right up there. So right here at the bird paradise, you can see this behavior without leaving your seats. From the smaller Oriental Pie hornbill, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let us welcome Vicky, our great pie hornbill!
Wow. Hi, Vicky. I'm right here.
Vicky, you're supposed to fly and land on me. Come on, we'll try this
Hi,
again.
Vicky. Right here. Hi. Come on. Over here, over here.
Okay, so in the meantime, great pie hornbills like Vicky, they can be found in Asia. Okay, like I mentioned earlier, hornbills, 2 continents, Africa as well as Asia. Where are you going, Vicky?
She's being very playful this morning. Hi, Vicky. Where are you going? Oh, she just landed on us again. Good job, sir. Thank you.
Just remain there, don't move, okay? Just remain there, don't move.
That's a very nice photo opportunity, though.
Vicky!
Hi.
What happened to you, Vicky? Someone likes to fly around this morning.
So everyone, just be patient with us, okay? Our birds, they are still getting used to their surroundings. So we are going to take small steps for them to succeed as well. Let's try this one more time.
And we have been getting a lot of audience, okay? Since there's so many of you here today and the amphitheater is filled up, right? So our birds will get a little confused sometimes, okay? So let's just be a little patient with them, okay? Vicky, come, one last try. All the way down to lift. You want to? No? Okay, never mind. Let me just continue with this, okay? So like I mentioned earlier, where the continents that they can be found, and usually the female hornbills, they are very, very fussy about their accommodation. Okay, their accommodation has to be very spacious and have a chimney so they can escape if they want to. So in a very short while, Vicky, if she comes down, she will have to go in and check out her nest cavity, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Look at her looking at all of you instead. Vicky, come on, you need to come on down. We have more birds joining us, right, on stage?
Yes, come on, Vicky. Right here.
There you go.
Good job.
Can we give her a round of applause, everyone? Sometimes these birds, they need encouragement as well, okay? So Vicky, whenever you are ready, you go check out your nest cavity. And also, did you all know that in Borneo, some tribes, they believe that if a hornbill were to fly across their village, it means they are blessed with good luck. Interesting, right? So it looks like we are blessed with good luck. Vicky has been flying across all of us.
Yeah.
Okay, so once she's inside, the male will then bring her mud and she will mix it with her own droppings as well as mashed fruits to create a strong seal. So without further ado, let's welcome the male hornbill, shall we? Everyone keep your eyes right there. Let's have Sunny and another great white hornbill.
So what Sunny is doing right now is he is gathering food for Vicky. Now for us performers, Sunny will keep Vicky and the kids through that small gap in the nest row. Okay, Sunny? Vicky's waiting for you. That's beautiful. Now if you cannot see this loving gesture, everyone let's watch this. So this right here is Vicky checking out the nest box, and if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Ah, look at that, in she goes. And this is Sunny feeding Vicky through that small gap. Now this unique nesting behavior is similar to almost all 62 different species of hornbills. And with that, can we give it up for Vicky and Sunny, our great pie hornbills?
Now everyone, hornbills, they are under threat. The critically endangered helmeted hornbills are being hunted to extinction for their cubs, called the red ivory. So what's happening to elephants are now happening to these beautiful birds. So right here at Mandai, we have conservation programs to support these helmeted hornbill species. And that is why, as a birder, I like to see birds in the wild, as well as right here in wildlife parks, where they get the best care possible.
Speaking of best care, I'm Durga from Bird Paradise. My team and I work very hard to keep our birds engaged, active, and enriched. So in a very short while, we are going to be introducing all of you to some beautiful corneas. And with that, without further ado, everyone keep your eyes right there. Let's welcome our corneas. Oh, we have 5 of them joining us on stage. Now the enrichment device that they are holding on to is called a monkey feast. We have hidden seeds and nuts in those knots for our birds to forage, and this is to express their natural behaviors. We have 2 different species of corneas on that monkey feast. Okay, if you look closely or if you look at the screen, there are 2 with more green feathers. Those are our Janae corneas, and the rest are our sun corneas, and they have more yellow or orange feathers. It looks like they are enjoying their treat there. Now corneas, they are from South America and they are now endangered. So there are more corneas in people's homes than in the wild. So everyone, please remember, do not keep corneas as pets as well, because they are happiest living in flocks together with all their friends. And let's give it up for corneas, everyone.
Thank you very much, Durga, for giving us some insights about corneas and enrichment. Now, before we carry on, both of us, let's push this very heavy stump all the way back here. Okay, there you go. So everyone, this birding trip has been a dream come true. Birds, they are everywhere. Social or solitary, loving and fiercely protective of their young, smart and agile. And that is why they are one of the strongest creatures you will ever find in our planet. And that is also why, as a birder, I love to travel across continents to see them. But what I'd like to see now is birds from all over the world, right here, right now.
Well, you know what, Mitra? I think your wish is about to come true. Come on, let's go.
Really?
Yeah, let's go. p.m. Once again, the next show happening here at the Sky Landing Theatre will be the Predators on Wings at 2:30 p.m. Now, just a gentle reminder, before you leave, please take all your belongings